Alright guys, today we're here with Francisco and William.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, so we got the block, well the whole engine back from the machine shop. This is it. Overboarded to 87.5. Got the O-rings in there.
That's the video, guys.
You need more energy, yo. You sound like you're tired.
Alright guys!
You're tired of this shit.
This is the 10th time I built this car. I just had deja vu.
So here we have the block, and the block is done.
The block is blocking.
The block is blocking.
Blocking.
Yeah, so we overboard the motor to 87.5 because we scored the walls because we leaned out. And this is the new block with 87.5 pistons, and we O-ringed it so we can send it to the moon and hopefully not blow up. Woo! Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we gotta get this car in there somehow so we can unload it. I don't want to.
Nah, my shit's cracked. Still got the crack? Where?
Right there. Shit crack. On one of the corners.
Shit missing.
This?
Oh wow. A for Andrew again.
Something like that. Yo, this block has been cut so many times.
That's why it says that. It's like
Hey, stop. Yeah,
No,
so
it's
it's a
not.
Ramey. So we got a Ramey sleeve block, K24 A1. Yo, do you remember the guides in your motor?
what?
Chain guides? The one that goes on both sides. I need that bolt. There's a hardware for your motor.
Probably in the box with all the stuff.
That narrows it down to about the whole basement in the shop.
One of the boxes that got my motor.
Ah, so kitchen a locha. So noche la quicha. How long did it take you to reverse order that mashup?
Nah, I just did it right now.
Oh shit. This guy could be a rapper. He's quick with it. Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna see if
Tomorrow the head stuff's coming, so I'm just gonna put this in the stand.
now we're gonna see if this can withstand a how tall is this bed? Like 4 feet drop?
Yeah.
Drop it on the bed.
Yeah. Remember we
Alright,
made a
guys.
video of us dropping the motor out of the truck.
Let's not play around.
Oh, on my laptop just like that.
Oh, it's in between.
I can see it's in between.
Everything gonna go dry.
Oh man.
So to prepare your fully built motor, you want to make sure that all the cylinders are nice and clean.
What's this? The instruction manual.
For what?
That's
How to
spec
build?
sheet.
Fresh?
87.5, man.
She's not fresh. She definitely ran through.
Oh, this one's ran through, but she's a born again virgin. For the 5th time.
Imagine going swimming. See you later. It's my portable swimming pool.
Wanna do ice bucket challenge?
You cold in there?
No.
Fucking Johnny.
He was sucking the ice monster.
got the baffle on, got the oil pump on. We got everything on the lower end. Probably gonna take this off again so we can time the motor. It has a chain guard. But yeah. .87.5 head gasket we're gonna put in here. Head studs. Supposedly they're better than the L19 with erosion resistance. So yeah. Now you want to make sure you follow the torque sequence. It's generally from the middle out. So you might want to look it up, but it's pretty much inner bolts work your way out. I'm just lightly driving these in. Tighten these down in 3 equal steps. So we start at 30. Now what you want to do is grab your impact gun, put on max setting, and then pretty much just torque your head studs on like you do your lug nuts. So let's go.